The Liliana and Maria Show. Meow!
Oh my god. I'm Trevor's mom. Trevor?
Trevor, get your ass over here.
Connie don't like you.
You just pop out from the door. Trevor, what did I tell you?
Trevor, make yourself a darn tortilla and go to bed. Stop working on your truck.
Trevor,
It's
the
too damn
trucker.
cold out there. Oh my god, this is Trevor's mom.
What's your name again? Cindy.
Cindy
Cindy.
here.
Cindy here. Oh, there it is.
I told you about Connie. She ain't coming back.
Okay.
Trevor, we've been through this. I don't care what your dad said. I don't want to hear about your girlfriend, Connie. If she ain't ever come to dinner, then she ain't your girlfriend. Trevor's mom here.
Yeah.
Trevor's mom here.
Trevor's
Cindy.
mom.
Cindy don't know how to work that technology, but we'll get there. I'm sure my bangs are all done up. There we go.
Let's see if you could, when you turn, see if it. No. Okay.
You still have this thing hanging off of it.
Oh.
I just want to put like a really long king cigarette in my mouth and talk like this.
Cindy.
Kinda like Katya. Boy, if you don't get over there. Awesome possum!